We back. Let me get the knife skis. We back with another motherfucking unboxing from my boy Surf City Sneaks, I believe. Surf City Sneakers. Homie's based out of Cali. Oh shit. Where is the Supreme knife? Here's a package over here. Fuck it. We're just gonna strong arm this shit as all we could do. Beat man. Keep stepping on everything. Oh, I actually found the knife. Package right here. Shout out all the military folks watching. This shit is taped up. Some good packaging. DualSense controller is connected. Alright, as you guys can see, 2 boxes. Guess what it is before I open it up? Because I am about to open it up. This is some good ass packaging. Shout out Surf City Sneak. Homie wrapped the, yeah. Shout out my boy Surf City Sneakers. Homie wrapped the whole fucking box. This is premium packaging right here. Jeez, my boy. There goes one pair. Can't let you guys see yet. There goes the other pair. I'm pretty sure I bought shoes off of him before in the past. But both of these are the same pair. One size 12, one size 13. Let's go ahead and open these up. Get this box out the way. Actually, let me move all this shit out the way. Funds. Second phone. Inglet. So I'm just in the seat right here. Headset. Get that shit out the way. Supreme knife. Louis wallet. And controller. So we back in the building. Not one, but 2. I always try to make thumbnails. Let's go ahead and open these up. Homie just threw in a Supreme sticker just cause, fuck it, why not? Homie actually did throw a pretty good steal on these, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit, and I got some candy? That's love, bro, that's fucking love. That is stickers. I'm gonna throw one of these on my laptop actually, just to show my support to the homie. Let me see. I do not know how to do this. Oh. Shout out my boy Surf City Sneakers. Check him out on Instagram. He be throwing candies in the box. So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh shit, we even got what? Kit Kats. Let's go. Fire Red 4s. Get them in some light. Fire Red 4s. Sheesh. This is size 12. Got a good price. There's a couple discrepancies, but nothing too bad. They are basically DS. They are DS. Good pairs. Bro threw me a steal. Under 700. Legit under 700. The 2 pairs of Fire Red 4s. Don't get no better than that. This is the first size 12. I'm debating keeping these because I could make some bread, but this is I think the size 12 is the only pair that had like flaws, even though they're like very minuscule. And here goes the size 13. More Supreme stickers. More of his own stickers. Put that one up there. Go ahead and check my boy out. See if I can get my face out the way and get that into focus. Here goes his shit right here. Shout out homie, he's very easy to deal with. Throws great steals. Two pairs. One size 12, one size 13. This one comes with the hang tag. A little off, but I could just put that shit right back on. There it is. And I'm gonna put this one right here. And then just grab this one. Two pairs of fire red 4s. I almost said fire bread 4s. Because you know your boy got some red 4s around this bitch. Yeah, these are such a clean pair. We'll go ahead and grab the black light. Turn this light off. Go and check them out. Make sure it's good. It's looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Yep, looks about right. Same with this one. Looks about right. We're good here. Pair number 1 is for sure good. Yeah, this one looks good. Perfect, perfect. Nothing wrong. Yep, all checks out. Make sure y'all go hit on my boy Surf City Sneaks on Instagram. He hooks it up always. Always easy to work with, easy to negotiate with. He had posted these on his story. Honestly forgot the price. He was asking closer to 400 and I threw him an offer. And he was like, all right, bet this is the highest offer. And then he hit me up like maybe a week or two later and was just like, fuck it, let's run it now. I was like, bet, just send me the Apple Cash or whatever. What's it called? Apple Pay. Send me the Apple Pay and I'll send that over. I sent it right away. He sent out tracking the next day and voila, they came. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, make sure to follow, like, subscribe. Check out my boy Surf City Sneakers for steals. Follow us on Instagram. Follow him on Instagram. Yeah, fuck it. That's it. Subscribe.
If I went flat today, I wouldn't even see your face. Brody told me he'll take 35. He just want a date.